So the first mind riddle is, I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body but I come alive with wind. What am I? So the correct answer is echo. Now the second question is, I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish. What am I? Can you guess? For further time, pause the video. So the correct answer is map. Now the next question is, which English word has three consecutive double letters? So the correct answer is bookkeeper. Now the fourth question is, what has a face and two hands but no arms or no legs? So the answer is clock. Clock is the right answer. Now the fifth question is, what get wetter as it get dries? So the answer is towel. Towel is the correct answer. Now the next question is, what starts with a P, ends with E and has thousands of letters? Can you guess? Your time starts now. So the correct answer is a post office, which has many thousands of letters. Now the seventh question is, why would a man living in a New York not be buried in Chicago? Can you guess? Any idea? So the correct answer is because he is still living. Now the eighth question is, which month has 28 days? So the correct answer is that all of them of course have 28 days. Now the ninth question is, Bobby throws a ball as hard as he can. It comes back to him even though nothing and nobody touches it. How it's possible? So the answer is he throws it straight up. Now the next question is, what has a neck but no head? Can you guess? Your time starts now. So the correct answer is bottle. Now the next question is, if an electric train is traveling south, which way is the smoke going? Your time starts now. So the answer is there is no smoke because it is an electric train. Now the 12th question is, what is always in front of you but cannot be seen? Can you guess? Your time starts now. So the answer is your future. You cannot see your future. Now the 13th question is, you walk into a room that contains a match, a kerosene lamp, a candle and a fireplace. What would you light first? So obviously you will light match first. Now the 14th question is, what has many keys but cannot open a single lock? How it's possible? Can you guess? Any idea? So the correct answer is piano, which has many keys but cannot open a single lock. Now the 15th question is, what invention lets you look right through a wall? Can you guess? So the correct answer is window. Now 16th question is, what goes up and down but still it does not move? And your time starts now. So the correct answer is staircase. Now the 17th question is, what can you catch but not throw? So the correct answer is cold, which you can catch but you cannot throw. Now 18th question is, what has a thumb and 4 fingers but still it is not a hand? So the correct answer is gloves, which has 4 fingers and thumb but it is not a hand. Now the 19th question is, what building has the most stories? So the correct answer is library, which is a humble of books. Now the 20th question is, what has 4 wheels and flies? Your time starts now. So the correct answer is a garbage truck. Now 21st question is, you will buy me to eat but never eat me. What am I? Your time starts now. So the correct answer is plate. Now the 22 question is, what is seen in the middle of March and April that cannot be seen at the beginning or end of either month? So the correct answer is letter R. Now 23rd question is, 3 men were in a boat. It capsized but only 2 got their hair wet. Why? Its answer is because one was bald. Now the 24th question is, what occurs once in a minute, twice in a moment and never in 1000 years? So the correct answer is the letter M. Now the last question is, what is so delicate that saying its name breaks it? Can you guess? So the correct answer is the silence. So friends, I hope you like all our mind riddles. For such mind riddles, keep watching our channel. Till the time, be safe, be healthy, and thanks for watching.